Hi everyone, I'm Peggy and I head up the CX business for SAP APJ. We're facing some really interesting challenges for the moment, and it has forced us to become ultra resilient and stay close to our core values. Our lines are blurring between our personal life and our work life, and it has really forced us to show up as we are and keeping it real. For example, in my life, I have my boys camping out in the living room whilst they are homeschooling and I'm still juggling work and taking care of them. With that in mind, we actually came up with a new show called CX Keeping It Real. And it's all about giving you insights and value that you can consume anywhere, anytime, so that it fits in your personal life. And we're keeping it very short and sharp and to the point. We hope you will take advantage of this offering. It just requires a one-time registration, which will give you access to the amazing platform that the team has created. And for now, the only wish I have is stay resilient, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on focusing on what's really important. Thank you.